The next set of video clips are about the polymerase chain reaction.
With respect to PCR, what is the target sequence?
It's the part of the DNA that is trying to be replicated in the polymerase chain reaction.
Bryce, in general, what is a chain reaction? And can you give me an example?
A chain reaction is a reaction in which the products themselves continue to promote or spread the reaction.
What is an oligonucleotide, and how does it differ in form from the DNA we know?
An oligonucleotide is a short, nucleic acid polymers used in research, genetic testing, and forensics. It's derived from the Greek oligo, meaning few or small, and mer, which is a Greek word for part. The difference between an oligonucleotide and DNA is that it's a single-stranded molecule.
What is meant by nucleic acid hybridization?
Well, nucleic acid hybridization is when a single strand of nucleic acids, RNA or DNA, are allowed to interact to form complexes called hybrids, which are formed by molecules with similar complementary sequences.
Ted, what is the difference between a nucleotide and a nucleoside triphosphate?
That's a great question. Wow. The difference is that a nucleotide and a nucleoside triphosphate both have the same bases, but a nucleotide has one phosphate while a nucleoside has 3 phosphates.
So, Darren, what is Tack Polymerase and why is it suited to be used for PCR? What a great question, Darren. Well, Tack Polymerase, as it happens to be, is a polymerase that's extracted from a bacillus or a bacterium that's found in thermal pools, so pools that are really hot. And that means that the Tack polymerase is going to be able to work at much higher temperatures than the polymerase that we typically find in our bodies. The reason why this is important is, if you recall, in the way that PCR works, you need to heat it up in order to have the strands separate, and then when it cools down, it'll reanneal. But you want to have it, when it's heated up, you want to have the polymerase be able to do its job by allowing for the hybridization of all the nucleotides. Isn't that awesome?